In this video, I'll show you to delete the Facebook Messenger app on your Android phone quickly and easily. Just follow these simple steps to uninstall the app safely. Start by opening your phone's app screen, where all of your installed applications are displayed. Scroll through the list until you find the Messenger app. Once you locate it, tap and hold the Messenger icon for a second or two until a pop-up menu appears. Depending on your Android device and software version, you'll either see an App Info option or a direct uninstall button. If you see App Info, tap it to open the application settings page. From there, select Uninstall. If the uninstall option appears immediately in the pop-up menu, simply tap it to continue. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the application. Tap OK or Uninstall to confirm your choice. Wait a few moments while Android removes the Messenger app from your device. Once the process is complete, the app icon will disappear from your home screen and app drawer. If you decide to use Messenger again in the future, you can download it anytime from the Google Play Store, sign in with your Facebook account, and all of your previous conversations will be restored automatically. That's it. You've successfully removed Facebook Messenger from your Android phone. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more helpful Android tutorials.